In this week's video, I will talk about how a burger is digested. To begin, the process starts in your mouth. Your teeth chew the food, which then stimulates the exocrine glands. The exocrine glands release digestive enzymes such as the salivary amylase, which helps break down carbohydrates. Chewing causes the release of saliva. It helps condense the food into a bolus which can be easily passed through the esophagus. The esophagus is about 20 centimeters long. The food is pushed down by peristalsis, which is a wave-like contraction of smooth muscle tissue. Next, the food enters the stomach through the cardiac sphincter. And in the stomach, the food is churned and mixed with digestive fluid, hydrochloric acid, and other digestive enzymes. It decomposes it chemically for a few hours. After a few hours, the acidic level changes and more enzymes are either activated or deactivated to extract and process various nutrients after being processed in the stomach. The food moves and is passed to the small intestine through peristalsis. It passes through the pyloric sphincter and goes into the first 10 inches of the small intestine, which is called the duodenum. And in the duodenum, the food is mixed with bile, pancreatic juice, and intestinal juice from the pancreas, liver, and intestine. These add several enzymes such as the maltose, lactose, which produce sugars. Most nutrients absorption takes place in the small intestine. Once the blood has absorbed the nutrients and is carried away from the small intestine through the liver. The liver filters the toxins and are removed, and nutrients are processed. After the small intestine, the food goes into the large intestine. The large intestine has three parts: the cecum, the colon, and the rectum. And in the large intestine, the water is reabsorbed. Food that cannot go through the villi can be stored in the large intestine. Fiber helps keep the food moving through the GI tract. Food that cannot be broken down is called feces. The feces is stored in the rectum and it is expelled through the anus. And there we have it. We have officially digested a hamburger. Don't forget to wash your hands for 60 seconds with soap when you are finished.